Hi guys,
Hi guys, we're going to make a pizza. Hi guys, we're going to make a pizza.
Okay, I'll put the sauce.
Let's spread it.
Okay, then spread it.
Let's spread it, Liash. Spread. Spreading the sauce.
Spread the sauce muna.
Oh, please. Spread the sauce. Spreading.
Dapat ma-cover yan lahat ah.
Okay. Hold on. Not yet.
All of it. Spread it evenly. Oh, spread it here. Okay, dito pa.
Is it done?
Hmm?
Is it done already? Okay, all done.
Okay, all done.
Now,
And
let's
now,
put
no, not cheese. Here, hot dogs.
this.
Put the hot dogs. Wait. Para kalat yung sauce. Okay, and then put the hot dogs.
Let's put it all around.
Lagyan yung design. And then the pineapple. You can put the pineapples.
Now, let's sprinkle this cheese all over, Mommy.
Pineapple. Punuin mo muna yun ng hotdog.
Okay.
Lagyan mo po. Sige, isama mo niyo yung pineapple. Okay lang yun. Kahit magkakapatong sila.
Oh. Cookie.
Lagyan mo space. Parang yung sa blocks kanina, may space sila to each other, di ba? Pineapples naman.
Alright. Now, next, we'll sprinkle the cheese. Not yet. There you go. Now, let's sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkling the cheese, Mommy.
Okay.
Hey! Sprinkling some cheese.
How about the sides?
Sprinkling. Sprinkles.
Dito, sa side. Ayun. How about the pineapples?
Now let's put the pineapple on top.
Ah, pang top yung pineapple. Okay.
Now the hot dog in the top too.
Okay.
So this will be a yummiest pizza.
Okay, I'll get ready the pan.
Okay. Let's put now some 2 more hot
Air.
There you go, now done.
It's done?
Uubusan namin yung mga topping.
Hindi naman. Okay
Okay.
na yun. You can eat the pineapple, not the hot dogs. The pineapple.
Oh.
Okay na to?
Mhm.
Okay, sabi mo. Done!